right, ready? Everybody buckled in?
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we go. And 60, 70, 80, 95. What do you think? You feel a difference?
Oh yeah.
We'll just do one more rolling pass. All right. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
So far, so good. I don't know, haven't driven it yet, but Alex driving it so far has got some extra oomph.
And it was smooth too.
Smooth, very smooth.
And you like the noise.
Noise is good.
So our daughter is waiting for the time for her to get her car so she can get it done. She's jealous of this.